In today's used car market, there are millions and millions of active online adverts. AutoVisual is the solution to walk you through this jungle. Today, you make money when you sell a car, but you make it profitable when you buy it. Use the force of a big data factory throughout 4 main features that will bring precision to every used car decision you'll make. Analytical search engine. Stop spending hours to see close to 0% of the market. AutoVisual collects live market data and gives you the quickest valuable insight. In one click and multiple filters, AutoVisual helps you find any car amongst more than 7 million ads in Europe. Compare in real time any advertised price with the market values across different countries and cities. Car valuation is a critical step on the path to profit. Whether you want to buy, sell, trade in a car, or even update a car's price, AutoVisual will give you the right values in just a few clicks. You can then calculate and secure the precise margin potential before you make an offer. Select a country and get 10 KPIs to understand the market trends of any valuated car along with the competition's perspective. The sourcing machine will support you in finding the best deals for sale. All the AutoVisual stock of European used cars is at your fingertips. Personalize your search criteria and receive listings of vehicles that you really need and that are just right for you according to your strategy. DEALERSCAN. Thanks to powerful indexing robots, AutoVisual spots continuously your retail network's used car adverts and provides key indicators to optimize margins and reduce your stock turn. Monitor in real time your network's online stock. Compare your network's performance with the competition. Identify best-in-class sellers and the worst ones. AutoVisual's API. Get the best out of AutoVisual's full power in a single API, including the car recognition engine, all market values and analysis. This multilingual application is available on any devices in less than 5 minutes. We support every used car decision you make with live market data. From sourcing to remarketing, boost your performance with AutoVisual.